Apart from the important aspects mentioned in the chapter, now we will download the annual report and show how we analyze it. By using an annual report, one can understand a company inside out. We can see the revenue distribution from every product, the board members, the details about each plants and factories, the pending legal cases, tax liabilities, and every other important information that we may require before investing. So let us see the annual report of Zydus Wellness Limited. We just need to type the name of the company, and after visiting the docs section, we can download the annual report. Our annual report can be as long as 200 to 250 pages, so it is very crucial that we don't miss out on important section. Annual report generally starts with a notice, and next few pages are about the mission and vision of the company. So here is the index. It can be useful if you directly want to jump to any particular section. Here we have achievements, and one interesting thing, it shows the ranking of each product of the company. And most of the products, Sugar Free, Neutralite, Everyuth, Glucon D, holds first position and are leading the market. Complan here stands at fifth position. It is also visible that promoter shareholding is 67%, and this is also really impressive. Then we have a page showing history of the company, and it is also quite interesting. It tells us that company was incorporated in 1988, and it shows the launches of its important products. Then as we move forward, here are the financial highlights. Now don't get too distracted by these, as company shows only those figures that have been attractive during the year and not the flaws. So here is an important page, the chairman's overview, where the chairman himself tells us about the company. And here is an interesting point regarding the acquisition of Heinz. So the chairman tells us that acquisition of Heinz has helped the company in distribution also. So, this acquisition would positively affect the sales of other existing products of the company as well. Now, let's scroll down. Here we can see all the products of the company, and you can make an investment decision while by judging whether or not you like these products. Now, Heinz was a bigger company than Zydus. So, a smaller company has acquired a bigger company. And that is the reason that we can find so many explanations and justifications as of how this acquisition has benefited the company. Here we can see the launches and the strategy of the company to increase its sale. Here are the new products that were launched during the year, and you can analyze them and see if these products have the capability to increase company's revenue manifolds. And again, the annual report talks about the market share of each and every product. The most dominating product is sugar free. That means out of all sugar substitutes, sugar free is sold 94% of the times. Again, peel off mask is leading the market with around 85% of share, and Glucon D around 60%. Apart from Complan, all the other products dominate in the market in their respective categories. Now this section tells us about the industry in which company operates. A fish cannot outgrow the size of the pond, and thus it is really important to check out this section. So company thinks that rising income, increased consumption, reduction in GST rates have been and will be benefiting the company in the long run. Then we have details about each and every brand, the details about the products, their USPs, and after analyzing these, you can take a wise investment decision. Now, coming on to management discussion and analysis. This is helpful in evaluating the management as well as the sector. You can find growth rate and future prospects of the sector. And then, next important thing that we have here is the risk identification, mitigation, and internal controls. So, up till now, only achievements were mentioned in the annual report. It is here that we get to know about the risk associated with the business, like fluctuation in the prices of raw material, risk from competition, litigation, or any possible slowdown in the economy. Thus, it is one of the most important sections of our annual report. The next crucial thing is the shareholding pattern. We have already discussed in the previous chapter. So, here in ticker, You can find a shareholding pattern very clearly, but if you want to know in detail about every financial institution and every promoter who has invested in the company, then you can find it in the annual report. Like here, you can find top 10 shareholders of the company apart from promoters. Like we have Pepsi Care LLP, Matthews India Fund, LIC. Then, as we move forward, here are the details of all the loans and deposits that are taken by the company and whether they are secured or unsecured. Now, this year, Zydus Wellness has taken a huge loan, probably for the acquisition of Heinz. When we scroll down, you can see the remuneration paid to the directors, CEOs, and other managerial persons. We compare this with the ceiling as per the Companies Act and then we evaluate the management. Ceiling is 10% of net profits. The CEO takes around 7%. This is also a bit high because normally CEOs are paid around 4 to 5% of the net profits. Then, when you scroll down, you will find fee for attending board and committee meetings. So, check if it is reasonable or not and if it is as per industry standards or not. Next important thing is the subsidiaries of the company. You can directly search for it in the annual report. So, Heinz India Private Limited is the newest subsidiary and they have merged it with Zydus Nutritions Limited. And lastly, do not forget to check the contingent liabilities of the company. They are not recorded in the liabilities and balance sheet, but they are just a part of notes to accounts and can result in possible cash outflow for the company. It is not confirmed whether or not they will result in cash flow, but there are certain possibilities for that. Like if a company loses pending sales tax matter, it can result into a cash outflow of 671 lakhs.